beans and courgettes are going in the curry. Together with a few tomatoes. I even put the tiny baby one in, just there. So the beans are going in too. I soaked them overnight and they've all plumped up again. We had roast chicken a couple of days beforehand, so as usual I got the carcass, bones, etc., stewed them down, and I'm going to add this to the curry. Obviously you don't have to if you're vegetarian, but we're adding this to the curry, just the stock and the few bits of meat that are left. And rather than boiling a whole pot of rice, we get these little packs. 2 of those will do us, done in a microwave in 2 minutes. And nothing beats homegrown food.